Hello everyone, a new series, a new part of chapter 3 testing to digesting. And in previous chapter we have learnt about malnutrition, overnutrition, Dr. Beaumont and many more. So now in this video we are going to have the consequences of malnutrition, proper food and the rest of the chapter. So we'll started here that Dr. Aparna gave a conclusion like this: there is one treatment for both of your problems, proper food. So what do you mean by proper food? Before that we are going to discuss two things here. First, why do you think Rashmi could eat only one roti in whole day? आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि एक ही दिन में एक ही रोटी खा पाती है? फूड नहीं है, मन नहीं करता, या डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम में प्रॉब्लम है, या फिर अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है रिसोर्सेज की. देयर कैन बी मैनी प्रॉब्लम्स, बट द मेन प्रॉब्लम इज दैट पॉवर्टी. फूड नहीं है, खाना नहीं मिलता रश्मि को. दैट्स वाई शी इज वेरी वीक एंड कैन नॉट बी एबल टू वॉक. सेकेंड, डू यू थिंक कैलाश वुड लाइक गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स? आई डोंट थिंक सो. कैलाश इज ए फैट बॉय who loves to eat burger, pizza and oily foods from the market itself. I don't think he would love to play games and sports. And the third question, what do you understand by proper food? Proper food का मतलब क्या है? And why do you think that the food of Rashmi and Kailash was not proper? These two questions are very important in this chapter. These two. Let us find out what is the meaning of proper food and how the food of Rashmi and Kailash was not proper by the fact only. Right of food. जैसे राइट है, हमारा अधिकार है कि हर सभी को फूड मिले, चाहे वो कितना भी कैसा भी हो, बट इट शुड बी ऑफ गुड क्वांटिटी एंड गुड न्यूट्रिशियस वैल्यू. उसकी अच्छी क्वांटिटी होनी चाहिए और अच्छी न्यूट्रिशियस वैल्यू होनी चाहिए. हमको प्रॉपर फूड मीन्स अ फूड दैट कंटेन्स ऑल काइंड ऑफ न्यूट्रिएंट्स. it should have vegetables, it should have milk, it should have rice, it should have chapati and minerals also. It should contain all the nutrients in proper proportions. Proper proportions means in proper quantity that are important for a particular age group. A proper food lies that it should contain all the nutrients and all the values, all the minerals. A good food is a food that build our body, our muscles, give us energy to work, to move. A good food gives a good life, and by good life we can do many much things. So if we have good diet, our body will be healthy, and we can achieve this good diet by having good choice of vegetables, good choice of food. Yes, if we are not choosing the good quantity, good choice of food, then our diet cannot be good and our health is not good. We have to make a certain diet plan by which we can take. There are plenty of foods that are available in different kind of country, different cultures. Hope everyone get understand what I am saying to you. Now we starting the find out facts. Talk to your grandparents and elderly people and find out what they ate and what work they did when they were of your age. जब वो आपकी एज में थे तो वो क्या काम करते थे. Even much stronger than you, I think so, because at that time much physical task is given at school also, by the parents also, and by the society also. No transportation may be given at that time, no facilities are like this that we have in 21st century. Maybe the life of your parents would be better at that time. Greater opportunities are at that time to build body only, I am saying. So let us find out with the help of your parents. And now think about yourself, your daily activities and daily diet. Now you can plan your diets, what you are eating in the morning, what you ate yesterday, and what you are going to eat tomorrow. Are they fixed or they are changing? You have to make your own diet plan by which you can follow it. And you can see there are plenty of examples given in the chapter also, by which one can say that a good food gives good body, and a good body have a good mind, and a good mind have a good thought, and by good thoughts you can do much better in your life. So food is the fundamental unit of life, we can say like this only. Are these similar or different from your grandparents? आपको तो ये पता लगाना है कि जो आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स खाते थे या करते थे वो सिमिलर हैं या नहीं. अगर डिफरेंट हैं तो किस वे में डिफरेंट हैं, हाउ दे आर डिफरेंट. एंड वी कैन से फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर एज ग्रुप देयर आर पर्टिकुलर फूड. एक बेबी जो है वो अलग टाइप का फूड खाएगा, एक जो यंग वन है वो अलग टाइप का फूड खाएगा, एक एल्डर अलग का फूड खाएगा, ओल्ड पीपल अलग टाइप के फूड खाएंगे, और उनमें न्यूट्रिशियस वैल्यू भी डिफरेंट होगी. प्रॉपर फूड एवरी चाइल्ड्स राइट. यू मस्ट नो दैट proper food is the right of every child. Like the right of education we have right of food also. हमको भी एक अच्छी डाइट लेनी चाहिए और हर एक बच्चे के लिए प्रॉपर डाइट का मेजरमेंट होना चाहिए. वी हैव स्टडीड द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ कैलाश who does not like homemade food. The another side Rashmi who does not have even get one proper meal a day. On these Rashmi and Kailash are two opposite side of a coin. Kailash, a rich boy who loves foodie items, oily items, and Rashmi, a poor girl that she cannot afford a single meal at a day. About half of the children in our country like Rashmi. This is the important fact, as the textbook says that half of the children are like Rashmi. हमारे हिंदुस्तान में आधी जनसंख्या ऐसी है बच्चों की जिसको प्रॉपर फूड नहीं मिलता, माल न्यूट्रिशन है, न्यूट्रिशन के अकॉर्डिंग फूड नहीं मिल पाता. इवन इन क्लास 5 द नेक्स्ट इन कमिंग चैप्टर्स यू कैन सी a case of anemia. More than 70% of the children in Delhi are suffered from anemia. It states the textbook only. They do not get enough food and they need to grow and develop properly. उनको अच्छा, क्योंकि बच्चे हैं ये ग्रो कर सकते हैं. The children are weak and sickly. So it is very important and disappointed fact that in India in 21st century the children are not getting the proper food. How they build the nation, even it is very disappointed. There is another story of Kalahandi district in Odisha. You can see the picture it is most revealing picture, and it shows the tendency and mindset of the people of India. Gomti is 30-year-old Gomti. Let me tell you, she cannot buy a single meal. Her husband died of hunger. You can see the children. Very, very pathetic condition of this lady Gomti. And we are making the India a proud country, by which we cannot make. We have to make a good country by giving food to everyone, every citizen. I know there are many restrictions in doing such, but we can do. Now you can see, do you know any child who does not get any food, enough food to eat in the whole day? क्या रीज़न हो सकते हैं कि आपको पता लगे कि कोई बच्चा फूड नहीं खा रहा है? या तो पॉवर्टी है, एजुकेशन है, अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं, मैनी कंडीशंस लेज बिटवीन द रीज़न. अगर किसी के घर में फूड नहीं है तो उसके लिए एजुकेशन भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, पॉवर्टी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, अपॉर्चुनिटी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन भी रिस्पॉन्सिबल है, इवन वी कैन से सोशल बैकग्राउंड भी है, और वी कैन से मैनी अदर थिंग्स दैट आर बीइंग रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द रीज़न. हैव यू एवर सीन a go down where a lot of grain? Let me show you, wait. This is the go down of grains, where the grains are stored, and at the peak time they are being used. Nowadays they are still using. यहाँ पर इनको अनाज, गेहूँ, चावल, दाल जो स्टोर्ड हो सकती हैं उनको रख सकते हैं, सीरियल्स उनको रख सकते हैं हम यहाँ गोडाउन में, सेफ है. एक पैरामीटर्स होते हैं इसको स्टोर करने के लिए, दे शुड बी फॉलोड. सो व्हाट वी हैव लर्नड दैट यू कैन नॉट टेस्ट फूड प्रॉपरली व्हेन यू हैव कोल्ड. कैसे पता लगेगा कि आपको कोल्ड है और अच्छा फूड नहीं टेस्ट कर पाओगे आप? क्योंकि आपका फूड जो अपसेट होगा, स्टमक अपसेट होगा, नहीं कर पाओगे. एंड द वन बिग थिंग, डाइजेशन बिगिंस इन द माउथ. आई टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे 50% ऑफ द फूड इज itself digested in the mouth by chewing the food itself. जब हम फूड को सिमिलर छोटे छोटे स्मॉलर ग्रुप्स में तोड़ते हैं, उसी टाइम 50% फूड डाइजेस्ट हो जाता है. And the main thought behind this chapter, इतना ही डालो थाली में, व्यर्थ न जाए नाली में. बच्चों, फूड को वेस्ट नहीं करना है. बाय दिस थॉट आई एम कंप्लीटिंग द चैप्टर. थैंक यू वेरी मच.